Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve Excel chapter 2 Capstone in and Jewelers. This is the second chapter of Excel section of my ERT Lab course. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID given in the description of this ID. My email and WhatsApp is also showing at the bottom of the screen. You can have me for your word assignments, Excel assignments, PowerPoint assignments and Access assignments. You can have me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignment as well. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 2 Cap Assessment Inland Jewelers. This is the title of the assignment and this is the second chapter of Excel section of my ERT Lab course. So first project description is given. So after reading this description, we will directly move to step number 1 of the assignment. Start Excel, download and open the Word file name Exp19 Excel chapter 2 Cap Assessment and Jewelers. So I have already downloaded this Excel sheet and we are supposed to apply all these instructions in this Excel sheet to get this assignment done. So you can download this Excel sheet from your My ERT Lab dashboard. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel file. That is why we will move to step number 2 directly. Step number 2 is insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. So we are supposed to insert current date in cell B2 and this current date will be as same as the current date of our PC. So we are supposed to insert the current date in cell B2 and for this we will use the function today function. So type equal sign and type today. So today function will appear. So you can see that I have inserted the current date by using the function that is a today function. So step number 2 is just about inserting the current date and I have inserted that current date. So let's move to step number 3. Step number 3 is with cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to auto fit. So now we are supposed to make the column B as auto fit. So double click here. So column B is auto fit now. So that is all about step number 3. So I am doing this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. So let's move to step number 4 now. Step number 4 is insert a VLOOKUP function. So we are supposed to insert a lookup function in cell C5 to display the ring cost. So now we are supposed to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. So now we are supposed to display the ring cost for each of the student and this ring cost, for this ring cost we will use the lookup function. So let's move to Excel sheet and here we are supposed to insert the lookup function and we are supposed to display the ring cost for the first student, that is Dodson, and our tabular is given here, that is A16 up to B19. So let me insert the lookup function, type equal sign and lookup function and click this insert function symbol so that we can insert the function arguments. So our lookup value is B5 because we are going to display the ring cost for the first student whose ring type is silver. and table array. Now I will type the table array, that is A16 up to B19. This one. A16 up to B19 is our table array. And column index will be 2 because we are going to get, or we are going to display the ring cost, and the cost is the second column in the table array. So I will type 2 here, and it should be an exact match, so I will type false here. Let me repeat it again. We are going to display the ring cost for the first student, and for this we are using the lookup function, and our lookup value will be the silver because ring type for the first student is silver, that is B5. Table array is given here A16 up to B19, and the column index is 2 because cost is the second column in the table array, and lookup range lookup will be false because we are looking for the exact match. So click OK. We got the ring cost for the first student, that is 400. You can match this to table array. You can see that silver is 400, this one. So step number 4 is done. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. So step number 5 is copy the formula from cell C5 to the range C6 up to C11. So now we are supposed to copy this formula, this one, to the, copy this one and paste it here. So we will use the formulas and press escape. So we got the values for the other ring cost for the other students. So that is all about step number 5. So we are done with 5 steps so far. Let me do step number 6 now. Now it is saying that apply accounting number format to the range C5 up to C11. So we got the ring cost values for all the students, and now we are supposed to apply the accounting number format. So let me select this one, and we are supposed to apply the accounting number format to this one. So I will select the accounting number format here and click OK, and you can see that accounting number format is applied to this one. So we have completed step number 6, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 7. So step number 7 is insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due. If the student has chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. So now we are supposed to use an if function, and we are going to get the total due, and logical tests are given. First one is if the student pays, if student choose to personalize the ring, then additional charge of 5% will be added to the base cost, otherwise it will be equal to the base cost. So let me calculate the total due in cell E5 by using the if function. So I will type equal and type if. Now we will insert the logical test. So first test is if student choose to personalize the ring, mean if D5 is equal to yes. If D5 is equal to yes, mean if student personalize the ring, then The total due will be equal to cost plus cost multiplied by B21, that is the additional charges. Otherwise, if student don't choose to personalize the ring, it will be equal to the base cost. So let me explain it again. We are going to get the total due, and there are two logical tests. First one is if student choose to personalize the ring, then the cost will be cost plus multiplication of the cost by personalizing charges, that is B21. Otherwise, it will be equal to base cost, that is C5. So we will get the result 420. So I have shown you 7 steps so far. I have done each and every single thing in this step, but if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID, and I will do this assignment for you. Now I am going to show you the final version for this assignment. When you will apply all the remaining steps, then you will get a final version that I am going to show you right now. If your assignment is matching to my final version, then you are going to get 100 out of 100. I have been doing this course and all other courses since 2015, and I can produce A grade for you. Let me show you the final version for this assignment so that you can match your assignment to mine one. So 7 complete steps I have solved in this video, and for the remaining steps I will just give you an overview. So this is the final version of this assignment. So I have shown you how you can calculate this ring cost by using the lookup function. Then I have shown you how you can calculate this total due by using the if function. After that, you can calculate the monthly payment by using the monthly function. So mostly I have done this assignment in this video, but if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, you can contact me and I will do this assignment for you. I can do this complete course for you. You can hire me for your Access assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, and Excel assignments. So you can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments, computer sciences, programming, and information technology. Thank you so much for watching my video. I request you to subscribe to my channel so that you can have a notification when I upload more useful solution for you. Thank you so much again.